Kyle Shallhan down here with Coach Nick Bootland. Now, Coach, third meeting with Cincinnati, different results and outcomes. How have you changed your game plan since the start of the season against Cincinnati for tonight?
Well, puck management's the most important thing against that hockey team. You know, they're very opportunistic. They have to find a way to bury pucks. Every time you make a mistake, they put it in the back of your net. And we managed the puck real well for the first period and a half, and we got away from our game plan a little bit there in the second period where they came after us for about 10 minutes. And then the third period, you know, they're going to respond and they're going to try and battle through. And I felt we played a great team first game. I think we're right at that 30 shot mark. We're trying to keep them under. That's a goal of ours, but they're a very potent offense, and we got to make sure that we contain them.
Coach, speaking of potent offense, the K-Wings did very well tonight on offense. Yanni Gourde in particular, scoring multiple goals. Now talk about the offense, maybe the defense producing for the offense.
Yeah, I think that our game, I feel we're one of the best teams in the league below the top of the circles. You know, when we hold the puck, when we change sides, we change the point of attack, and we make them come take it from us, and we keep changing sides, is our game plan. And it's creating a ton of offensive chances for us and a ton of shots on goal. So, you know, we're excited that it worked well tonight.
Can you talk a little bit about the transition offense as well?
Well, I think we struggled in the second period, and that's where they got their opportunities with the transition. You know, we're going D to D, and then we didn't have a strong side option. So, you know, we reiterated that in the second intermission there, that, hey, we want to make sure we're going right up the boards, and we have to have a strong side support guy. If we do, then we're gaining 200 feet on them all the time.
All right, Coach, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Coach Nick Bootland, I'm Kyle Shallhan.